How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is just pretty much going to be let's see what I got here. All right, well, I got a couple of shop cards and some trades and mail call and just stash ads, whatever you want to call it. It's a little bit of everything here today. All right, before we get this video started, guys, I want to thank you, the subscriber. Thank you. If it wasn't for you, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. I'll never ask you for a dime, guys. I don't have Patreons, PayPals, Twitters, Googles, whatever. I don't know. I don't do none of that stuff. What you see is what you get, guys. All right. Well, first shout out, and anybody I shout out in these videos, mention or whatever, I'm going to leave a description below like I always do. All right. And I got a shop card today. And this one here, let me get everything out here. This is from Daniel over at Model Cars. There's his shop card. He was doing a video the other day, and he is showing a very old build that he had from, I think back when he was in the Army or whatever. And it was a Johan 69 SC Rambler, Scrambler, whatever you want to call it. It was in the tester's box. And it come with the those like aluminum wheels with it and stuff. And it come with little thing of photo etch parts right there, little PE parts. And he said he does not do the PE parts and didn't, you know, if anybody wanted them, hey, comment below. I said, hey man, I want them. I got like 5 of these kits now, so I dang sure want them. And sure enough, he was gracious enough to give them to me. And your shop card's on the way. Thank you very much, Daniel. Y'all go check him out. Very talented guy. Go over there, give him like, subscribe. You name it, guys. Get over there. Like him. All right. And then the next one is, everybody knows him, Mr. Rob. Now, he's got the best shop card, I think, from anybody. I mean, it's a model box. I mean, you can't go wrong. But with this, Papa's Model Room, PRM. Look at that. Now, this guy, he's kind of like me. Actually, you know, he's better than me, I guess. He loves to preserve old model kits. He'll buy them, he'll clean them up, fix them if he needs to or whatever, and he don't hardly mess with what somebody else has already done. He loves to preserve the history of the model kits, and he's a hell of a model builder too, guys. And me and him did some trading, which I'll show you here in a few minutes what we done and everything. But great guy, great channel. His trip back in time, guys, when he does the magazines and the old photo albums of the drag racing era and the customs and stuff, guys, you got to check him out. All right, descriptions will be below. Okay, I don't have a whole lot done on my small scale group build other than I do got the body painted and, you know, a bunch of stuff, but I'll say that for another video. It's going to be my long weekend to work, so it'll be next week before I do a video on that. But, okay, let me see. Let's just do what I did. I had a Hobby Link order and it come in, so let me see what we got going on here. My very first dash ad will be the 132 scale Beach Buggy by Airfix. And this is a great kit, guys. It comes with 2 figures. It comes with engine detail. Al Woods built this. Steve built this. Y'all, I'll leave descriptions below on their builds and everything. Y'all go check them out. But this is a great kit. I seen them do that. Had to have one. I went and bought myself one, guys. Yes. Awesome kit. All right. Now, another one I ordered. I've been waiting for this one to come back out. Years ago, I had several of these, but you know, they got sold off with a bunch of stuff, and now I'm in the process of buying everything back. I had to have another one. This is a great reissue right here. You can build it custom. You can build it stock, but you can also build it NASCAR. Now right here it don't show like a particular NASCAR, but on the back, yeah, let's see. I'm trying to think of some of the older guys that raced, but it's got all the decals for it other than their names. And you can paint the car with the blue top, white with the red sides. Let's see, Parnelli Jones seems like one of them. He drove like the 15 or 16 car. Hell, I don't remember. But that's what this will be. I'm going to build it to NASCAR. I'd like to get 2 or 3 more of these and build everybody on the team, because they had just a little bit different colors. Like one of them had the blue wheels. One of them had the red wheels. One of them had the yellow wheels. I mean, just a little, and you know, of course, different numbers, different guys. But all right. And then another one I had to get. When I seen this coming out, oh yeah, you know I had to get it. Every time a race team or something comes out, I get it. It's got the boat. You know, y'all seen HPI guy do it. Jonathan's doing it. I mean, there's several people building this and unboxing, so I mean, I really want to unbox or build this because it's been done. But there you go. I had to have me that. And then I was at Hobby Lobby the other day, and they, you know, they've got pretty much the same thing. Haven't been having nothing, but my mother-in-law gave me some birthday money back when it was my birthday, and I'd had it in my pocket, and I was like, you know, I went in there and I seen, you know, they had this one. They always have this one, but they never have the other truck. Well, by God, they had the other truck, the hauler. So, there we go. I bought both of them. I got the white versions of this, and then I got this version. I'll probably build this one before I build the white version, because the white version will be a lot of masking and a lot of stuff. But I'm not really a big rig builder, but I will buy, you know, stuff like this because it is a race team, and they are pretty cool. I mean, shoot, you got a Kenworth Aerodyne, and then whatever that thing is, a Kenworth, another Kenworth. So, race truck, yeah, I bought them. What the heck, why not? Awesome kits. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way. All right. So, now then, we was talking about old Rob, Papa Rob. Me and him done a little trading. He was always talking. He wanted his very first car, or his car, you know, his 65 Cuda. Well, I sent him a 65 Cuda, and he sent me a Johan. The SE Scrambler, the Rambler. Of course, this is the Pro Street box. The only difference is you don't get the decals for the other kit. And he also sent me this, too. Oh, I just dropped a model. Little BMW. That's awesome. I actually got the model kit of this right here. Thank you, Rob. I appreciate it, buddy. I appreciate it. And this one here, he also painted and rubbed the body on this. Right there, look at that. Beautiful job. Needs chrome foiled. Shoot. Paint the rest of it. It's never been built other than he just painted on the body and the hood and the trunk. Other than that, it's never been built. Awesome trade. Awesome trade. You should get yours here in a day or two. It was sent off. I've already sent you your tracking. You know what's coming. Alright. Guys, I got so much crap. I got more crap than I know what to do with. Yeah, I knocked a model off here. A vintage model on top of that. Alright. And then me and my buddy Donnie from California, he don't have a YouTube channel or nothing, but me and him always trade back and forth and talk and stuff. Well, I had some stuff he wanted. He had some stuff I wanted. So, let's start with it. I got some old build-ups. Some to restore, some to do whatever, you know. I got this 63 Johan. What was that? And that was a Plymouth Fury. All built up. It's actually a nice looking build up, guys. If you look inside the interior, everything looks pretty decent. But I don't know if I'll leave it. I mean, I'll put it on the shelf and just have it up there till I ever get ready for it. But I will probably do something else with it, I think. I'm not for sure. I got several of these kits still in the box, so I don't know. This one's a good candidate with maybe a gasser or something like that. You know, could you imagine a gasser? I don't know. I'll do something with that. Super stock car or whatever. I don't know. I'll do something with it. And then I got an old Willis Pro Street Builder. So it's there, but the front tires, the other stuff's in there, the glass, everything. That's a good little builder right there. And then Papa Rob, you're gonna like this. On original issue 40 model Ford, 39 40 model Ford. Missing the wheels and tires, but hey, I got all that stuff. I could just put them on there and display it just like he would. Might just do that, I don't know. Then this one right here, this one is really nice. Old build up, Rob, you're gonna love that. Look at that. That thing, just a little clean up on it. I'm displaying it just the way it is. Man, they hand painted that on there. The 43, the A gas. Man, that thing is nice. Look at the back. Tasca Ford. That's a heck of a build. I'm leaving that thing just the way it is. That will not get restored. The others might, but that's not. And then I got this right here. I was wanting another one of them. I got a couple of them, but I was wanting another one. I love that Edsel grill. Now it's coming apart. I will restore and do it the way I want to do it, but it's got the other pipe inside. It's got the other parts in here, but it's all there. Look at that thing. Y'all know this was part of that double kit. They had the Willis gasser, the front end moved, tilted on it, the AMT, and it had this kit. That's a 32 two-door, and it had the Edsel grill and stuff. Yes, that's one heck of a kit right there. You know I love my vintage kits. And then he also gave me this right here. This has never been built. Still in the box. Everything's still there. Trailer, everything, decals. Awesome kit. That was a surprise. He just threw that in there. So, thank you. And I got this right here. Everybody knows this car. Eventually, I want to build an AMT, the 55 Chevy. I'm going to do that. What was his name? You know the deal. I want to build his 55 Chevy. And eventually, I'd like to build the 58 Chevy. And there's a couple more cars I'd like to build that was in that movie. And then, this is what I've been needing right here. The XR6? XR6. I've been needing that right there. Careless about that one. Got plenty of those. The XR6 is in there. That's what I needed right there, guys. And it's got the old box with it and everything. And, let's see. That's all that. Let's see if I can show you. I got the body painted on my little small scale. You can see right there, got the body painted on it. It needs to be chrome foiled and clear coated and all the little detail stuff on it. Let's see. The hood's painted, and no big deal. The hood's painted. I've started on the dash part of it. The partial tray, I'll just have to do the gauges and all the chrome and all that. Got all the wheels painted, tires, seats. Seats have started painted. And yes, I ripped the color off. I told old Rick down the throat modeling, I told him I was going to rip his colors off. He's building for the small scale group build. He's building the Triumph, and he painted it that metallic blue with the darker blue interior. I told him, I said, I'm stealing your colors, dude. I love your color combination. And I've stole his color combination. Thank you, Rick. And there's the chassis. There's part of the firewall. I got to finish detailing that stuff up. Other than that, guys, there's really not a lot. The engine is so small, I don't know if you're going to be able to see what's going on with it or whatever, but I've got the hoses, the wires, everything run. You can see they're just That's your heater hoses, your radiator hoses. You know, I've got it already, the distributor already wired up. You're not going to be able to see it, that those wires are so thin. Then I got this wire out here for the coil wire once I do the coil. I'll probably even wire the battery up too, I think. This thing's small, but man, it's going to have a lot of detail. Here is the grill. I don't know if you can see that. It's black washed. If you can see that very good or not, I chromed it, black washed it. Other than that, guys, I mean, just that's really all I've gotten done. I'm enjoying watching all y'all's small scale group build updates and finals and stuff, and I'm finding some new ones every day. People I didn't even know was in it. You know, I keep trying and trying, and if you're in it and I haven't been to your video yet, guys, comment down below that I can get over there and see your video, because you know it's a little overwhelming. There's a lot of people in this group build. Appreciate every one of you. Me and Brian both. Thank you, love you, and I guess I'll shut up. That'll be enough for this video. Till next week, bye.